Maybe you know this song, right? Gusto ko marinig muna sa inyo. Pwede nyo ba kantahin for us?
You guys know the lyrics? Do you guys know the lyrics?
Ano, isa-isa? Ano isa-isa?
Ha?
More than 10 bukas.
Do you know the lyrics of Mapa? Indonesian version? You don't memorize the lyrics? Why? Can you sing Mapa? Is it okay? The Indonesian one? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Can we hear Mapa chorus in 3, 2, 1, go. Pahinga muna.
Galing, galing. Thank you so much, 18. Kami na lang yung manonood. Kayo na rin mag-concert, please.
Thank you so much, 18. And because Justin's here already, I think we can continue with our performance. Justin, you want to introduce the next song?
Yes, for our next song, it's hard for me to speak. Okay. For our next song, actually, this is exactly for Sydney because you know our parents, they raised us.
Okay.
So just like you know, just like a plant.
Just like what?
We're like plants.
Plants. Okay.
Yes. They raise us, they plant us, and then they help us grow.
Okay.
So you, Sydney, Tita Maylene. Okay, let's
Kaya
move
siya
on.
pumunta ng backstage. Nag-isip siya ng joke.
Okay, so I hope guys, our next song is for all the parents and the guardians here. So this one's for you. This one's called Mapa.
Okay.
La ta ra ta ra, la ta ra ta ra, la ta ra ta ra ta ra, la ta ra la ta, la ta ra ta ra, la ta ra ta ra, la ta ra ta ra ta ra, la ta ra la ta.
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi nalang kami ng una, ngayon naman ikaw na muna, akin ang pangalan.